Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, August 17. Government has started a program to address weaknesses in the budget in a bid to improve transparency and accountability in the management of public funds. The medium-term results-based budgeting system is part of the public sector transformation program. Last week, government signed a contract with US-based consultancy firm Deloitte LLC to provide technical assistance for the project's implementation.
The objective of this project is to strengthen public resource management and to support selected public sector institutions in improving and enabling environment for public sector growth.
The first phase of the results-based budgeting system will be piloted in 3 ministries: Transport, Works and Housing, Agriculture and Fisheries, and Education. The overall public sector transformation program is funded by a loan from the World Bank and a $37 million grant from the Department for International Development, DFID. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips says more investors are pumping private capital into Jamaica's business process outsourcing BPO sector. He says that as the investors become less reliant on state funding, government has more room to focus on other key aspects of the sector, such as infrastructure development.
It's a trend to be encouraged, and which does not relieve the state of obligations to continue to market, to develop the appropriate taxation regimes that are competitive globally.
The finance minister was speaking at a recent economic forum hosted by Victoria Mutual. The BPO sector is expected to create approximately 15,000 new jobs over the next 5 years. Work is now underway to build a 100,000-gallon concrete tank in Mason River, Clarendon. Water Minister Robert Pickersgill officially broke ground on the project last Friday. The $35.7 million storage facility is part of a $202.2 million project for the upgrading of the Mason River water supply system, which started in August 2013. It will serve about 7,000 residents of Mason River, Kellits, Sandy River, Roden Hall, Elba Corner, Douglas Castle and Matney. Minister Pickersgill highlighted the importance of projects such as this one.
Right now we're experiencing the inconvenience of being without a continuous and steady supply of water in our pipes, and we apologize for that. We're endeavoring our utmost, as you must have seen and heard. That is why the Ministry and its water agencies are currently engaged in putting in place the necessary short-term, medium and long-term plans for the water sector.
In the meantime, 2 other contracts associated with the Mason River project have been completed, one for a $21.3 million intake facility and the other for construction of a pumping station at a cost of $14 million. Cabinet has also approved the contract for supplying piped materials, while the pipe-laying contract has been approved by the National Contracts Commission and is to be submitted to Cabinet for approval. The final contract for the supply and installation of pumping plant equipment is awaiting approval from the National Contracts Commission. National Security Minister Peter Bunting has urged the Jamaica Constabulary Force's newest recruits not to get involved in corrupt practices. He was speaking last week at the Police Academy, where 244 men and women graduated from the training school.
There are going to be many temptations out there as you are deployed. There are many who will try to corrupt you, but let me warn you, please don't risk your career and reputations.
The minister also urged the new recruits to carry out their duties with professionalism and passion. Several communities in East Kingston are to benefit from a well-needed facelift under a major rehabilitation project. This will begin this October, starting with the Rockford community and extended to Ellison Road. Science, Technology, Energy and Mining Minister Philip Paulwell made the announcement on Tuesday.
We have to brighten up the place. We have to make it a far more welcoming, and certainly for the people who live there. So the Ministry of Tourism and myself, we are embarked on a major development of an elegant corridor for East Kingston, starting in about October, where we're going to do a major rehabilitation of the roadways. We're going to be doing proper street lighting, and all the premises along Windward Road will have to undergo a facelift.
Minister Paulwell was addressing a GSAT Scholarship Award ceremony hosted by the Jamaica Private Power Company. And finally, it is being asserted that ceremonies to reflect on and celebrate the achievements of Jamaica's national heroes are relevant and important to the development of its citizens. That message was delivered this morning by Delroy Gordon, Executive Director of the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission. He was speaking on behalf of Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna at a floral tribute to commemorate the 128th anniversary of the birth of Jamaica's first national hero, Marcus Garvey.
The relevance of us gathering at the shrine of our national heroes and heroine may be considered by some as an unnecessary annual ritual. But it is important that as a people we pay homage to those who have paved the way in creating the Jamaica that we love and cherish so dearly. It is particularly important that we make the young people be aware of their contributions towards the building of our nation.
The floral tribute was led by representatives of the Governor General, Prime Minister and opposition leader. Members of the Diplomatic Corps, local government, the Universal Negro Improvement Association and various sectors of the society also joined to celebrate Garvey's life and works. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.